A cry for help and a sure sign of life. A desperately rare sight in Minami Sanriku. Looking at these pictures, it's hard to believe that a few days ago this was a bustling port. 10,000 people are missing. That's half the town's population, possibly wiped out in a few devastating moments. There's almost nothing left. This tragedy is being played out along Japan's tsunami-ravaged coastline. Homes shredded to splinters testify to the stunning power of the great waves. Among the debris, belongings that hint at the lives lost here. Survivors are returning to desolation. In Sendai, the city's airport roof offered refuge to those who made it there on Friday. This new footage shows what they witnessed, a freak wall of water that swept away their homes and their livelihoods. Japan's Army and Air Force have been deployed to help with relief efforts, but they too have been victims of the disaster. The landscape has changed beyond recognition. Towns that once existed have simply disappeared, wiped away. Rikuzen Takata is no more. So far, hundreds of bodies have been recovered. Many more wait to be found. Scientists have upgraded the quake to 9 on the Richter scale. They now say it was a series of major megaquakes in succession. A tsunami was inevitable. These pictures have just emerged and show the moment it struck. Japan's experience with quakes couldn't stop the waves, but quick evacuation saved an untold number of lives. Many now make their homes in displacement camps. Others who fear a second giant quake are stocking up on food, water and fuel. The international community has scrambled and help is on its way. In the meantime, Japan does its best to calm its jitters, even as it continues to discover just how badly it's been hit. Holly Williams, Sky News, Sendai, Japan.